Add filters. Your footage looks alright but needs some extra flair. Let's pump up the visual drama with filter in KineMaster. Follow these simple steps. Tap on the clip you want to enhance. Hit color filter. You see tons of options like vintage, warm, cool, contrast, and many other options are available. Choose the filter you like and adjust it according to your requirement. Brightness, saturation, contrast until you get your perfect vibe. Tip: for a more cinematic look, go for vintagey or black and white filter. Filters are perfect for setting the mood, whatever you may making a fun vlog or dramatic music. Filters is equals to instant atmosphere. You cannot go wrong here.